To assemble the Y-trap, first use the tear strip to remove the outer wrap. Then unscrew the caps and remove the trap's contents. The top chamber will include the instruction booklet, the green attractant tube, the attractant vial, and a twist tie. The bottom chamber will include the bottom cone, the yellow attractant tube, and a felt pad. To bait the bottom chamber, place the felt pad in the center of the bottom cap. Cut open the yellow attractant tube and pour the liquid onto the felt pad. Insert the cone and screw the cap back onto the bottom of the trap. To bait the top chamber, cut open the green attractant tube and pour the liquid into the top chamber. Then add water and fill to the start line. Remove the attractant vial from the plastic pouch and pop open its lid. Then, snap it into one of the 3 notches next to the cone in the top cap. Screw the cap back onto the top of the trap. Then, thread the included twist tie through the hole in the top cap and hang the Y-trap outdoors, at least 20 feet away from insect nests and areas with human activity.